All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about access control. Okay, so access control or cross-origin resource sharing, which we talked about before, is a mechanism that uses additional HTTP headers to tell browsers to give a web application running at one origin access to the selected resources from a different origin. Okay, so this is what we were talking about before. Basically what it is, access control, is it gives you access to multiple servers so that they can cross-origin requests, so controlled, and then same origin requests. Okay, so the website will pull an image, a layout.css, and then the markup language from server, web server domain A, and then web server domain B will give them the web font and the image. Okay, so that way the core mechanism supports secure cross-origin requests and data transfers between browsers and servers. Modern browsers use cores and APIs such as XML, HTTP requests, or fetch to mitigate the risks of cross-origin HTTP requests. Okay, so there you go. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.